Yes, but I'll tell you, compared to what's in our forecast tomorrow, more so Monday, this is a very inviting looking sky. We have big changes coming over the next 12 hours, dry and mild, but you'll notice those clouds around. Our next threat is this coastal storm moving in for tomorrow and lingering into Tuesday with wind and rain impacts. You'll want the umbrella on standby this weekend as we move toward the late afternoon for your Sunday. But it's really not until Monday that we get into the heart of the storm. This is Monday morning, and at that point, we're looking at a wall of downpours and the peak of the wind moving in. Several impacts with this storm, a lot of focus on the rain because this is a 3-day storm. We could see areas of upwards of 3 to 4 inches of rainfall, but the wind peaking on Monday morning could reach 50 to 60 miles per hour. And with that wind out of the northeast, it's no surprise we're looking at a potential for beach erosion. We'll watch for some coastal flooding as well on Monday evening. The storm is just starting to develop over North and South Carolina, but we have some travel time before this arrives. So we are waking up to a mix of sun and clouds, upper 40s to mid 50s, making for a pretty mild start to this morning and a mild afternoon. 12-hour forecast showing more clouds than sun, but still a great day for heading out and about. And with these high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, we're a few degrees above average and feeling mild. Enjoy. Changes are coming. You'll notice those clouds hinting at what's to come. It's a mostly cloudy night, but still dry overnight into the start of your Sunday. First drops moving toward the south coast, Cape and Islands by the early afternoon tomorrow. These are slow to move northward. So I think initially what you'll notice, the showers are kind of light and spotty as they travel north toward Boston in the late afternoon. The steadier rainfall holds off until after 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. And still, that is just a taste of what's to come. It's in the overnight hours from Sunday into Monday that conditions take a turn for worse as we get into a wall of downpours for Monday morning. And look at how heavy this is right through Boston as we move toward the early morning hours Monday, with the peak of the wind passing by as well. Soaking downpours late morning Monday. We'll likely see another surge of rain Monday late afternoon into the early evening. Wind not as strong with that second round, but still very heavy rain with showers lingering even into Tuesday in a lighter form. The focus of the heaviest rain from Boston southeast, where we could see upwards of 3 to 4 inches. We have a high wind watch and a wind advisory for the Cape and Islands going into effect tomorrow night, with the peak of the wind overnight Sunday into early Monday. 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts possible for the Cape and Islands, but notice for Hyannis and really for much of the Cape and Islands, the wind gusts during the day tomorrow stay in that 30 to 35 mile per hour range. It's not until we move toward early Monday that we start to see those peak gusts near 50. That could be damaging. Coastal flood alert, that watch goes into effect Sunday morning, but it's really not until Monday evening that we're watching for the potential for some coastal flooding, as the high tide will be at a 10.4, and that's when we see some of the heaviest of the storm passing by as well. Showers window on Tuesday, then we dry out for Thursday, watching for a few drops on the coastline for Thursday. For Storm Team 5, I'm meteorologist Kellyanne Chicalise.